18 years after the death of Senator Rene Compañero Cayetano, Taguig Mayor Lino Cayetano still misses his dad. On Facebook, Cayetano shared old photos from the surgery he underwent in 2003 to save his father's life. Remembering the anniversary of the surgery, the mayor said, the older Cayetano died on June 25, 2003 at the age of 68 due to complications from abdominal cancer. The Taguig mayor urged everyone to do everything they can to protect their loved ones amid the COVID-19 pandemic.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.